you have been very outspoken in recent months about events in Kashmir, in Indian-administered Kashmir, and it was something, again, that you brought up with President Trump. He said he's willing to help if he thinks that the United States can help. But when all of this began, when India revoked the special status of Kashmir back in August, you compared the Indian government to the Nazis. You said, will the world stand by and watch like they watched Hitler at Munich? Did you mean to make that comparison?
Absolutely. India at the moment is being run by an extremist ideology which is called RSS. RSS got its inspiration in 1925 when it was formed by the Nazi Party.
This is the organisation that is the precursor, if you like, to the BJP party of Prime Minister Modi.
Prime Minister Modi is a life member of this party.
But that is not what we are seeing in India right now. There are clearly nationwide protests. There are Muslims who feel that their identity is at stake. But to many people, the comparison with the Nazis will seem not only far-fetched, but offensive.
I mean, all you have to do is read what the founding fathers of RSS said. What is happening in Kashmir is shocking. 8 million people are in an open prison for over 5 months.